How to list imported modules. How to enumerate all imported modules. For example, I would like to get os, sys from this code.
An approximation of getting all imports for the current module only would be to inspect globals for modules. This won't return local imports, or non-module imports like from X import Y. Note that this returns val, $name _ so you get the original module name. If you used import module as alias, yield name instead if you want the alias.
Find the intersection of sys.modules with globals.
If you want to do this from outside the script, Python 2. Python 3. This will print all modules loaded by myscript.py.
Let's say you've imported math and re. Now to see the same use. If you run it before the import and after the import, one can see the difference.
Alles in